Oltayayo President w'abachwanga aba East Central Africa Division Pastor Dr. Boyce Ruguri kurga Nairobi Kenya ababurengerizova rwatanchira omuri Ishaka bushenyi ubwo yashinikirizibeho abandi bebembes. Oltayayo President w'agendere kurambura emirimo erukorwa yaramburirwaro amatendekero amashomero n'izindi project omwanyogo.
Moses did not have the privilege of anything like this. And the way I stepped through the desert as he led God's children from the bondage of Egypt to the promised land, all those footprints he made were erased by the winds of time and by the whatever storms. But for us, because of our progressive way of thinking, now we have come for a new way of creating lasting footprints. Amen. So walk over them and you'll be okay.
President yasima emirimo erukorwa omwanya ogw'ebembezi obebembiremo lidia cy'omuchanko mukazi. President agirango obunubwire abashaija konja okushagika abakazi babihe ombiyungu.
To provide quality Christ-centered health care, and we've been trying to do this so that we become a leading healthcare provider and training institution of choice in Uganda. Across the years, our patient count has increased, and we thank God that people are consistently choosing Ishaka Adventist Hospital for their health care. For this year in particular, up to June, we have already served 50,229.
Over the years, we have grown. We have grown so much that nowadays we have patients and we have no beds. And that is the drive that requires us to put up that next structure.
Have a wonderful administration. Actually, they are very faithful to each cent donated to this this medical place.
The maternal child health block that has been started, it will make a big difference.
Like this combination, which tells us something. Many times here in Africa we used to think that women are non-starters. But Lydia is a statement. Amen. He is telling the world that we cannot afford to ignore women anymore. In the past, we have identified women only with the kitchen.
Oltayayo President w'abachwanga aba East Central Africa Division rahendera omurimbara Vit ogo atakajire shema nambara abandize omurifotopoto uko bamwachire nechika.
Kusima ruhanga nkoburorerezi buno bwa Midwestern abwa orutambo rututire kurora kiro kino tusimbiri bale abwo cyombeke ekikoto
mbeko kino nikija kubandikiretaho empinga ingisa mu rubuga rwaitu kyombeko kyomutindo
ngara kuterera abebezi ba madini batabange ekimu habintu twayitirwe kutebeza injiri yo bwaramu kunyiro bwana
alenga kwegesa abana engeso abo kubeka izukiringu abana tubalekire TV
okujantebe kansa President wa East Africa Division kwara jomu Uganda no kuza Burundi ahabwa TV West ni Gideon.